Howdy guys, this is your friend Ankit and I welcome you again in our another fresh informative video. Today in this video, I am going to tell you, can you sell your same photograph in multiple stock photography websites or not? Well, this is most common questions of stock photography beginners and yours also, that can I sell same photo in multiple stock websites or not? Well, answer is here guys. Watch this video fully and your all doubts will be cleared. So guys, let's begin today's video. First of all, let me tell you one basic information which I think many of you guys don't know properly. If you created a photograph, you clicked a photograph or created an illustration and all the components used in it are belongs to you and originally yours, then the copyright holder of that creation or that photographer is you, only you. Where your photo will be used, how they will be used, this right is only belongs to you. If anyone want to use your photo or illustration, then he or she have to get a permission, legal permission from you. Now let me go to our main topic. Whenever you create an account or whenever you sign up on any micro stock photography website, then you need to agree some terms and conditions, and which many of us haven't read ever. In those terms and conditions, there is a term for contributors, exclusive photographer and non-exclusive photographer. Exclusive photographer means that your photo will be sold on that particular website only. You can't sell that photo anywhere else because it is exclusive. And non-exclusive means it's opposite, obviously. Means you can sell that anywhere you want on any stock photography website or anything else. Guys, if you also haven't read those terms and conditions, then don't worry, because on any website by default non-exclusive option is selected. Means you can sell your photo anywhere else on any website. I know many of you are on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Then the fact is that there is no option of exclusive photographer on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Means any of your photo on Adobe Stock and Shutterstock can be sold anywhere also. Apart from Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, there are stock photography agencies also which gives you exclusive photographer option like Getty Images and Dreamstime. Now a simple question in your mind is that which option is better actually, exclusive photographer or non-exclusive? Guys, in the case of non-exclusive photographer, your customer base is too large, and in the option of exclusive photographer, your customers are limited. Let's take an example for that. If you are a contributor, exclusive contributor of Getty Images, then who are your customers? Which are customers of Getty Images? In contrast, if you are a non-exclusive photographer and you are contributing to many websites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, Adobe Stock, Pixie and many more, then who are your customers? Which are customers of those all websites? So obviously your content reaches many customers. So take a decision wisely before choosing exclusive photography or non-exclusive photography. One more thing guys, there is an advantage also of being exclusive photographers because you get more commission or more royalty than non-exclusive photographer. Second factor is that if you participated in any photo contest pastly, then please read their terms and conditions carefully, because some of websites says or some of photo contest says if you submitted an photograph in their contest, then the photo will be copyrighted to them only. Means now you are not a copyright holder of that photo anymore. So in that case also, you can't sell your photo to anywhere else. Friends, if you found this video very helpful to you and you found something important in this, then please subscribe the channel and hit the like button to inspire us for creating more videos like this. So guys, thanks for watching today's video.